Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. So before I get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out a tray which is located at the bottom of the phone, right over here. You want to push that pin in, and you can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space for two SIM cards, one on either side. Place your card, make sure that it is clipped in place. There we go. It should be laying flush on the tray and it should not fall out if you flip it over. This one for some reason wants to pop out automatically. There we go. And that's it. Now, if your SIM card has some kind of pin on it, you will need to confirm it. It will automatically show up, but mine isn't locked, so it automatically just should start working as long as the actual card is active, which mine isn't. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.